Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking an active server and joining immediately. That raises your chance of finding traders. Once in, check your inventory and equip the items you intend to trade, plus enough cash to make offers quickly. Make sure your trade permissions are enabled and verify chat or voice works so you can negotiate. This first step gets you visible, mobile, and ready to propose trades without delay. Don't stall. Initiate contact fast when you spot likely partners. Once done finding a server, you need to locate trading partners by watching high-traffic zones and listening for trade calls. Approach politely and state your offer clearly, say item plus dollar amount or the swap you want, and propose a neutral meet point. Make sure to inspect the other item and ask questions. Confirm the terms out loud before exchanging. This reduces misunderstandings and prevents scams, so you both leave satisfied and transaction ready. You execute the trade by opening the trade window in a safe, visible spot and double-check both items and amounts before confirming. Once confirmed, move immediately to a secure area and reopen inventories to verify you received exactly what was promised. If something goes wrong, cancel at once if possible, document the interaction with screenshots, and report the scammer to moderators. Make sure to blacklist repeat offenders and adjust your approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.